favorite things to trade now is rejections, and you can clearly see here exactly how it works. So you can see this yellow line right here. This is a major support line, and look how many times it touches it. It goes up and then it comes down, and we have candles 1 through 5. It touches it 1 time, 2 times, 3, 4, bounces up, and it's like, hey, we're gonna try this all over again. When it hits the top of the Donchian channel, you're gonna see it touches it once, twice, and then we have a space between the top of this wick and the actual Donchian channel. And then we know that it's going to go down for 2 reasons. Number 1, that space. Number 2, we have our trend line that connects this candle up to this one. And now we go down, and it's like, hey, we're going to touch the support line to try this again. And it can't. It touches it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and you can see this is a stronger candle. And then on the 5th touch again, it breaks through on candle number 10 and candle number 11. So each time that it actually touches a support or a resistance line, you're going to see that it gets weaker and weaker, and it's eventually going to break through. But I love rejections, and every single time that you look at a chart, you should be looking, number 1, at the rejections with the wicks, and number 2, you can easily see this is just like a puzzle. If you want to learn how to do this, if you want to learn how to understand what you're looking at, come learn inside of my Telegram channel. It's 100% free. I have a mini course. You're gonna love it.